The Avata line from DJI is already known for offering compact, agile FPV-style drones. The new Avata 360 is not just an incremental update. It's DJI's first attempt at a full 360-degree FPV drone. The idea: combine the immersive 360 camera experience like what 360 cameras offer on the ground with the freedom and agility of a flying FPV drone. If successful, it could let creators shoot immersive aerial footage. You capture everything around and later pick the angle you like, or even let viewers look around. That's a game changer for cinematic footage, VR, travel vlogging, real estate, aerial storytelling. The drone recently cleared certification with the U.S. regulatory agency FCC, a major step indicating an official launch is very close because of regulatory timing, especially related to possible restrictions on DJI drones in some markets. Many analysts expect DJI to release the Avata 360 before December 23, 2025, or at least make it available for pre-order around that time. Some reports say global launch could slip to early 2026, depending on region, but overall expectation is late 2025, early 2026. Leaked pricing suggests several configurations: a drone-only version and a Fly More creator combo bundle. Approximate leaked prices: drone-only $799 United States dollars. Drone plus goggles plus motion controller full kit as high as $1,399 United States dollars. Some rumors say Fly More full kit could go up to around USD $9,991 to $99, depending on region and taxes. As with all leaks, DJI has not yet confirmed official retail pricing. Here's what early leaks and certification data suggest for Avata 360. Dual 1.1-inch CMO sensors capable of capturing 8K 360 video spherical video, a big step compared to typical FPV drones. In addition to 360 video, can shoot 4K video at 1:2f in standard non-spherical mode, good for cinematic slow motion and traditional framing. Rotation camera mechanism: the camera module reportedly can rotate, allowing users to switch between immersive spherical capture and forward-facing FPV-like mode. Transmission and control uses a Q-Sync 4.0 with up to 20 kilometers range, working with DJI's goggles and motion controller ecosystem. Battery flight time: around 38.67 watt-hours battery, giving about approximately 25 minutes. Flight time decent for a 360 drone with heavy imaging hardware. Build form: early leaks say it will retain FPV style drone agility as with previous Avata drones, but with redesigned body to accommodate 360 camera system, possibly a more elongated panoramic shape rather than compact sphere. Why these features matter: the 8K 360 capture allows creators to reframe after flight, pick the best angle, even change perspective, giving a lot of creative flexibility. Ability to switch 4K 1:2f gives versatility. Immersive 360 content when needed. Conventional footage when preferred. Q-Sync plus goggles plus motion controller means you get immersive FPV flight experience with DJI stable transmission and low latency controls. Immersive 360 video plus traditional FPV in one drone, a rare combination. High-resolution 8K spherical video, good for future-proof content. And creative cropping, reframing. Versatility: you're not limited to 360. You get normal cinematic drone footage too. Strong DJI ecosystem around it: goggles, controllers, stable transmission, which tends to work well out of box. Could transform aerial videography, ideal for travel vlogs, real estate walkthroughs, cinematic storytelling, immersive content. Nothing is official yet. Specs, price, and release date are based on leaks and FCC filing. DJI has not formally announced final details. 8K 360 video will likely produce huge file sizes, and editing 360 spherical video is more involved than regular footage. You need proper software and editing skills. Flight time approximately 25 minutes might be reasonable, but could feel limiting for long shoots. 360-degree drones might have additional challenges: stabilizing footage, managing motion sickness for viewers, post-production complexity. Depending on your use, if you don't need 360, the extra cost and complexity might not be worth it. A standard drone may suffice. Or a creator, filmmaker, travel vlogger, you want immersive look around aerial footage. Plan to shoot cinematic, creative, high-end video where 360 gives flexibility in post-production. Want a versatile drone, both 360 spherical and standard FPV, cinematic shooting in one package. Wait or choose something simpler if you just want basic aerial footage or hobby FPV flights. 360 may be overkill. Don't have editing tools or aren't ready to handle large 8K footage files. Want maximum flight time or lighter drone? Simpler drones may offer better battery life or lower cost. DJI Avata 360 appears, based on leaks and certification, to be a groundbreaking drone, potentially ushering in a new generation of immersive aerial video by combining 360 spherical capture with FPV-style agility. If you're serious about creative aerial content, especially for YouTube, cinematic video, travel, real estate, or immersive projects, Avata 360 could be worth the investment. But make sure you're ready for the responsibilities: editing 360 video, handling big files, and learning spherical video post-production. Before you purchase, watch detailed footage samples, check your editing setup, consider how you'll use 360 versus regular video, and evaluate cost versus benefit.